Hello everybody, and in today's video I will guide you through how to open a Chase Business Bank account. We have 4 steps to follow. So the first step is gather your documents. So before you begin your application, you'll need to collect some documents. What we have is identification, 2 forms of ID, one being a government issued ID, driver's license, passport, etc. Tax ID, employer identification number, or social security number. Then business information, your business address and phone number. Phone number also very important to have it. Business legal documents like business name filling document or a business license, partnership agreement, articles of organization, LLC, articles of incorporation for the corporation. Okay, so if you have an LLC, you just have to give the articles of the organization, and if you are in a corporation, you have to provide those articles. Step 2, apply online for solo proprietors. If you're a solo proprietor, you can apply for and potentially get approved for a Chase business checking account online. Step 3, visit a Chase branch. For LLCs, partnerships, corporations, for businesses other than solo proprietorships, LLCs, partnerships, corporations, you'll need to schedule an appointment and visit a Chase branch with any partners or members involved to open the account. Find the Chase branch near you by clicking this link here. I will also leave this guide in the description below, so you can click on this link. Step 4, choose your account type and make a deposit. During the application process, you'll select the type of Chase business checking account that best suits your needs. You'll also be required to make an initial deposit to open the account. Additional information: can I apply online? Sole proprietors can typically apply online, while others will need to visit a branch. So if you are an LLC, partnerships, have a corporation, you have to visit any branch of the Chase bank. So what documents do you need? You'll need various identification documents like tax ID, business information, and legal documents depending on your business structure. This is basically a step-by-step guide what you will need to prepare before you open a Chase business bank account. So one more time, if you are an LLC or a corporation, you have to visit a Chase branch. So you have to go to the bank, and there you have to get approved. So that's basically it. I hope this guide was helpful. If so, leave a like and see you in the next guide.